Okay, we are going out. We are done. And we are here now. Do you need help, honey? Okay, weather is getting nicer and we are getting late. So we will be quick now and show everything so quickly. Okay guys, bye bye to this shop. We would love to come back. Yeah, bye bye. We will love to come back with the family. So earlier we planned to come here with the family, but they couldn't make it. They were busy and we would have to come. Yeah, work and school. So for sure we will come next time with the family and have so much fun.
Maybe you can see inside a little bit better now.
Yeah.
It's a little more dark.
Kid would love to play. Yes, I can see some. I saw one girl was running around. She was on other side maybe now. Yeah, she was on other side. Okay. Here.
Saw his report card.
Oh, so his pictures came? Oh yes, we didn't explain. We brought him to the daycare place and we will get them with you guys together on maybe Thursday or Friday.
Yeah.
So we are missing him and I'm sure you guys are. Our video doesn't look wow, complete without him. Wow, I saw that chicken. She's cute. Okay, let's try to this place. Where is the motor guy? Oh, he's all the way there. Yeah, one is here too.
So we're going left.
We're going left? Okay, I'm making left. I don't want to miss any view from here. Okay, that would be cool too. Okay, making left.
Doesn't look like there's much more down there.
Okay, yay. Hope I didn't miss anything here. Okay.
There's another shop there, Nana.
Oh, the shop means more hours we need here.
Yeah.
One shop made us crazy. And I like the handmade stuff.
Yeah.
They had crockery. They had a lot of toys and
Pedro's pantry.
yes. I think more was the crockery stuff and other decoration stuff. That was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was an amazing experience for sure.
Alright, back on the road, 2 hours, 13 minutes left.
Ouch. So what time we will be there?
7:53.
It's not bad, I guess. We expected to come early, but I think it's worth we came here.
Definitely.
Worth coming, having fun. We enjoyed
Stretch
it.
our legs too.
Oh yes, for sure. Stretch our legs and yes, we saw some good stuff. We found stuff. Oh, okay. One more quick look on here. Okay, that's cool. Oh, okay, sunset.
The cows? Are those cows?
Yes, those are cows. Those are cows. Yes. Oh, beautiful.
Then back to the left.
Left.
Bye bye, Pedro.
Bye bye. We'll come with the family. Oh look, it's nice. It's nice. I'm not sure why, because it's a sunset and wow.
We can go see the reptiles next time.
Yes, we will.
Sure.
Maybe.
Snakes and alligators and
I will look from far, honey.
No, you gotta go in there.
Nah, I'm not
it's
doing
inside
that.
of a building.
I'm not doing that. Oh really?
Yeah, the reptile.
Shona would love to go there. Gugu will. No, Gugu wouldn't. Shona will love to. So she will be your partner with Rohit.